Hey guys, welcome to This Old Pumpkin. Okay, let's see if I can get this out of here or if I need to resort to cutting this tip. I'm gonna need to cut the tip. Hold on. Got it. Okay. That was actually easier than I thought it would be. Okay. Now, let's get this glue on out of here. I'm going to need to poke this. Okay. Come on. I need a pin of some sort. I have nails, but I can't find them. And I just oh no. Let me get a pin out of the office supply drawer here. There we go. Don't need a safety pin. I just need these. Okay. Oh, it's coming out now. What the heck? There we go. Okay. Now, this lights up and I leave it inside. I do not put this outside. So this adhesive does not have to hold up to the outside elements in the fall, which is a good thing. This is like frosting a cake. Or the piping tip, you know? I know where the inside is once I get it glued and the glue hardens. You just slide it up into the bottom. Alright, I think I'm going to do both sides here. So that when it goes together, the groove on this side has glue and the bump on that side has glue. You know, I called the pharmacy today because they called me to tell me I had a prescription for them to tell me, no, the only prescription you have is too early. Then why are you calling me at 9:30 in the morning to tell me to call you? Okay. I'm going to fit the two pieces together, lining up the holes and grooves, and that stinks. I might, once it's had a chance to dry, come back along these edges and do the outside of the edges. Like, let me just show you on the stem here. The outside of the edges, just to keep it together, like that, like that. There. But I'm actually going to let it dry now. I feel like filling in the gaps. There really aren't gaps because I did a good job of putting it together. Oh. But I do want to fill, and I'll just scrape that off when I'm done. You know what I mean? When it's all completely dry, I'll just scrape the edges off. I'm just doing the edges. It actually feels like it's holding pretty well, which is good. This is actually really good glue. So I'm gonna let that sit probably for the rest of the day and dry. Put my E6000 away. But that's it. I put together a pumpkin. Like I said, his base that goes in his bum is in the other room, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. Like I said, I want him to be thoroughly dry. And that means waiting till tomorrow as far as I'm concerned. Then I'll take a warm, barely damp washcloth and just wipe the edges and fill in any, like right here I see a gap. There we go. And be able to use that this year. It broke last year. Well, it's like I said, they're fixable, so. And I do have glue running everywhere on this side, which is fine because, like I said, I will clean it off once the whole thing is thoroughly dried. So, thank you for joining me. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.